the people doing this are the elephants. February, and I'm sending messages across. So I'm sending messages. My 2 weeks, nothing. 3 weeks, nothing. Do this, they won't do. Do that, they won't do. And God give you the go ahead and go and speak unto it for the nation. You want me to sit down when God says to go and speak about it? On the 9th, the Lord took me to a high mountain and showed me this vision. So just 2 days after the election. And I'll say, if we do not pray, swearing in won't come on. Mama will die before the swearing in. Because that plot, you know, it wasn't for Omani, it wasn't for Mutala and all those people. According to the vision I saw and what has been revealed to me now, nobody in that plane can survive. I sent a message to them and I said, President should not use the presidential jet again. Because I continually from February now, I've never stopped seeing the plane crash. So I've been praying for the president and all his travels. That is why in that video that I did make her say, me bomb pies and mampenu ko bibia abofo and money home by. My gun I'm from you. But the government in power is under attack.
I was in a board between and soon 7 months and I'm a Nico video so Yana apostle worship Ghana or the Kumshi Echo Edama Mampini John Gamani Mahama if attack Eba Panaso not watch a plane crash be and a becoso and say and ra 4 yards what our mind gun and Koda Soria na helicopter so your man and penny for the moon a Jumaya for as well for Yana Epa could Juma Edama mind gun no. The potential Yamasemi no Cassadio may yina ye charge and my boy at the pin on us were premium chain or studio her. The need be drink what near beside the set at a wrench out for my gunning. And then the comshi I was shady. What's next? May sell the vessel say I hire too much in. Or Messrs. Falama paid enough you will me at the man to send a letter upload the thing. When the first person there was a very careful, you see, come on, they could be for your man of father, name come. From Wakaba.
And that's similar, brother.
Amen. To look at the name of disaster. Yes, I 5 months ago.
Yeah.
And I will drop his prophecy. I will just say attack be a by a man peninsula.
Yeah.
It's your mom pie for money. Young quiet chickaka. Up to that prophecy.
Okay.
Not for from nothing. You
and that's it. I believe that we will ask God to help us that we can number our days, that we may apply our hearts unto wisdom and knowledge. In that prophecy, I remember, sir, let me go into details of that prophecy.
Okay.
This is a vision I saw after the election. It was about 7th January, 7th December. You know, as I say, you know, the fire, so but once I was trying to rejoice, God said, wait. I want to show you something. Then on the 9th, the Lord took me to a high mountain and showed me this vision.
On the 9th of December?
Yes.
2 days after the election?
Just 2 days after the election.
Okay.
And I'll say, if we do not pray, Mahama won't swearing in won't come on. Mahama will die before the swearing in. So I was worried. I said, the person just won election. And so I saw that task coming on him. And I saw him being placed in a coffin. Just after winning the election. So we have to engage in prayer. And God told me again that not him alone, Nana Jane should be part.
Vice President.
Yes. Until I became so confused. And I said, you know, I showed the things that you went to her hometown and did when they want to kill her before the election. It is not done, it is hanging again. Until now we have to be committing the 2 of them into prayer. So a lot of people, I told party elders, I told people, and I'm more catch them saying, I'm on pious. Because now they see, you know. They do baby crying swearing in embassy. Then after the swearing in, they plotted an accident for him. But when the accident was plotted, the person that the spiritualist that the thing was given to, I'm talking about the people doing this are the elephants. Now the spirituality that this thing was going to say accident in this year, it won't touch Mahama. So the only thing that can kill Mahama is a plane crash.
Oh, okay. Beautiful. Enti na ya say you share it ka plane crash see e bra no.
It was for him. Yes.
And anka atorenchi baba.
Yes.
And some no e ba ye no. Ya tete wo penifo ni bi interviews o ma grant ni ade no kire say no question anka e ma penima John Dramani Mahama anka eku program no.
Yes.
But was sorry am upon all of a sudden no so okay.
That is it.
On feel fine.
That is it.
Into one.
Yes.
And no this my defense minister no one come.
Because that plot, you know, it wasn't for Omani, it wasn't for Mutala and all those people. It was for president. And president was supposed to go with that same, a different Agodiko, that same one.
Helicopter.
Yes, that same helicopter. So the thing was plotted. Then when I saw this vision, I began to pray. For the travels of the president. I sent a message to them and I said, President should not use the presidential jet again. That was why you see that President Omuja used you know. Then he stopped and was using his brother's jet. Then later I saw this helicopter thing. I saw that still the crash was still there. And I said, but the man has stopped using, you know, the government jet. So how come this? And the law said this is it's still hanging. And that was where this prophecy came from. And you have to come and drop the prophecy that this is what I saw and this is what will happen. Yeah.
Say prophecy no eba. Na efa e man pinin John Dramani Mahama hu. Na oye nyema gu fom na enti ankofa be so na kofa fufu so no.
Yeah.
Nanka bibia ntimi ensi ade na no kwai se enye bibia kwa ensi kura. Ebia ebeti ahwe enipa ni wu. Ebia by force land because ebia sani si ye se ebia si pen. Eno na e man pinin kasa John Dramani Mahama na e kosa but no de nyame ya adoma by force land big ti be montino nyame kwa didim. Enti na ka bibia sa entimi nkoso spiritually e maka atorenche ni endane na ka bibia by force land big na yenya ya swafo ya kobia hunka.
According to the vision I saw and what has been revealed to me, nobody in that jet, nobody in that plane can survive. According to what I saw, yes. If only it happened, nobody will survive. Yes, because Sana here that nobody will survive, and I categorically said that to involve the president and 6 people. Yes, and yes, I only did the video. I've even sent messages across. Messages across. Anytime they want to travel with whether a helicopter or anything, because I continually am seeing a plane crash. So they should check it very well and also ask, should they go with it?
Because ABS what can say no send messages across there. And then can one more consult say yeah, okay, plane crash no that's so hangy. In any more far from and I acquire any to come to me for Mako.
They did not seek. Yeah. So that's here. You know, when the prophecy comes, you have to seek. So me no one you here. Don't think God will act.
But they say God revealed to redeem.
It doesn't work like that. There are revelations that are redeemed. There are revelations are not redeemed unless something is done. Unless a direction is done. Unless a step is taken. So what I say. Into your revelations, your visions are Yami yet to see a day when KBC, but my easy. It means when Yami yet whoa, this is what is coming to happen. Are you getting me? If you're not a prophet, you won't understand the prophetic ministry. Until you can ask, why didn't you do anything about it? What? No. There are some of the things God just show you and say, this is what is about to happen. Or you just see it prophetically in the vision that this is what is about to happen. You saw the people involved and you have to pray. So if the direction is done, if something is done, it wouldn't have happened. So that's here. See one of the messages I sent. That is on a Sunday, 16th February. This one, you read that one, the one which is marked with her.
Okay. Ghana presidential jet air crash involving Mahama and 6 people. A plane crash has been plotted for Mahama.
Thank you. So you see that this message has been sent to somebody. And I told them this is what it is, because I continually from February now, I've never stopped seeing the plane crash. So I've been praying for the president and all his travels. That is why in that video that I did make a say, me bomb pies and mampenu kobe be above 4 and 1 home by. Because this was for the president. In Tinkamu, it was the president that was involved in this.
Odefo yeshe Bible wow. David Nidifo on Nathan, yes,
yeah.
Abibia Nathan Binya a dia for David Hono or Conan,
yeah,
Ecobona money. That time, no, Becca said, and yet, they are social media,
that is it.
But a be a nasa, no more, quite on fast of the Tonka, a be at the Wuboni be or walk really makes me about the Runiadi. It's a deal for Nia a decent woman model. Omukoni panaho, Mako catcher. Nimisa se enye ya na munye di semuna. Mutua na monsa mo ko na munya access. Che se ebeba media no so na ye behu videos no media no so na ye hu se bi ni na kono ho ana ye ntifi ye beti ana de kudimesi esiwi a say ye kai no we fie.
You see, do you know the many attempts sometimes we make? The young guesses.
Okay.
You can give a prophecy about somebody. They go and tell the person, I bet you say, we must can mope. We have faced it many times. Some of them I'll just tell them, leave them. Also, so these people, when you give prophecy about them, do you know how difficult it is to see them? That is it. So you speak it one day or tia or between 1 hour, unto 1 hour, 1 day.
And yes, move become young some way of power.
No, because you can't get access. And now those times also, when you are saying when there are prophecies that were not sent to the people. There are prophecies that just stand in Jerusalem and speak it. Ujina Judea, prophets no Ujina people so no waka no.
Say they are your mind media.
So that's it. Where's your mind media? Do you know how difficult it is to get access to their offices? You call them, I'm busy here, we are doing this, I'm doing that. What's the person's life? Oh? Yes. I remember I gave a prophecy about one of them, and they went and told the person, or say, or catch and so forth, and so for being with mama. So do you expect me to do something? So far as your pastor can work on it, I have to stay. Because Mr. was for no cracking.
Okay.
Did God give him the vision? Did he see what I saw? Has God revealed it to him? How will he know the secrets of what to do? That is the question you must ask yourself. Intermediate, mini obey me. My vampire man, my yedi as a semi man, I'm a Gyemfi, which is a Gyemfi, and I'm okay with that.
Oh, okay.
He was involved. And luckily that week I was on him. I wasn't around. I was on him. I was sending him messages. Sammy, I saw revelation. I see this revelation. And the things I'm saying. Now, on also in me around. So I have to quickly engage prayer. And be averting this thing. Be averting Sammy will not be involved in this. Sammy will not be involved in this. He was supposed to go with them. So I'm telling you that you need a prophet for yourself. He is having a prophet. God has revealed it. And I prayed for him. Imagine say Satan buy Satan desired you to scatter you like wheat, but I prayed for you. And Jesus catch Peter. It's the empire. Jesus bomber Peter. Into na Satan. Into na scatter no. Senkone enyo ne Yesu so na namwe. Senka Satan ya no.
Scatter.
That is it. So ask yourself, those people, are they not having prophets? Are they not having pastors?
Okay.
Don't they go to church?
They do.
Me, my favorite politician who is involved in this has been a pain to me. Mutala. My favorite politician. Mutala is my favorite politician. One of the finest you can get. So you think I'll see this thing, and you think I'll see that Mutala is involved, which I know Mutala, who is a very good person, and I won't do something. But God won't give you all the revelation. God will give you the ones which are concerned to you. If the pastor, the malam, the whatever, also is acquainted, or no say sing a me chileno. Also catch us and me dear Benio. Or said dear. Used to hear word to maybe and son of catch repeater. Or no submit me your word to maybe and son of catch and say, when and KBC. This is it after everything. I sent some message and some God has saved you. Thank God. Thank God. What's the deal for my young couple?
Obi say na Ghana afum yafum a eyehi because I say afu yasemu ye ya. Just last week or so, any see nkwala 17.
Yeah.
If you cry ka say send your online treaties as 7. The SC bit me a contributing factor because nkwala maku 17. Yenya obia from abani amana meka bibia fan especially a vice president kwa yoba gender minister so ameka hwe you could be say a vice president ada some wo kan ye say oh asam no kwa wo monte se bibi sesi yetu amna de kwala 17 ni na abu maame ba ko sie nkwala 4 enti ye hwe no ni ye hwe ne enu a si ye ni ye hwe ewuwo ekokokoko so ni ye hwe accident a ACC a obi bi say Ghana is something wrong.
Ghana from here, and so Ghana is in darkness. Oh my Ghana from here. But the government in power is under attack.
The government in power?
Yes, it's under attack.
Okay, before me, I say, if you more say NDC are buying Beji Akunya National Son, or consult say a home to me DNA near my baby, echo so, and son of Munya Kunya National So. And the Omobedi at the anywhere, so we film who said baby, I call you, the Baka Dasi. It's like I said, the government in power is under attack.
Yeah.
Could it be said if you more call you, and a edging in us any from one?
No, NDC we need power by anything, and NDC, I've been with the NDC before the election. I've been in communication. I've dealt with many people. They have not been to any evil place. Pastors were with them. 24/7. And you are so for the Mahama winning election. In the BBL.
Okay.
So that's it. But here lies the case. Whilst pastors were praying for John Dramani Mahama, he was seeking for prayer. He was going about doing what he's supposed to do. The other side are engaging spirits. They brought in 30 spiritualists. They brought in Malam. Some woman they brought through Togo.
For Soka said the other side.
The elephant.
Osno. NPP.
Osno. So that's it. Do you know the things they did? Do you know the things they did? Until the evils they have done is still hanging and fighting the atmosphere of Ghana.
For now, we are in Ghana, you call it National Thanksgiving Day. You call on Paya Day, Enti say the other side no cry ye be na sade ne handi we ma empire be da ye boy ye enti me ansay na
Make I say obi say say make I tell say. That Thanksgiving they did. Did not cancel anything.
Oh, sir.
Yes. Because the prayers that we are supposed to pray, they didn't pray. There was no corporate prayer. There was no prayer topics lifted. There was nothing, together prayer so that the whole nation maybe obijina ho lift prayer for a bishop. Nanka ujina ho nanka or lift prayer to be nanka umo TV so umo amanyina niya bompire. No. Nothing like that happened. I was there myself.
Oh, okay.
I was there myself. Nothing happened like that. Until maybe I am nothing dear. The SSA no. Aquarium, Aquarium, name and cancel the SSAC. Because the photos they've given Mahama's picture, the photos they've given Anaja's picture, and the minister's picture too. The thing is working. And if they don't do anything, it will continue.
No,
it will continue. I'm telling you. I told them, I sent message to them, I told them there will be many deaths in the party. Nti the more team the more we dear. As a sa or a buy no, and yet as a buy as a someone to animal. No, what I mean is a buying is as a government. And now a DB abeta Israel so. Now Israel won't reproach him. Now Israel who the Bible say year after year there was famine on Israel. Who rose up? David, who is the king. Mohene no sorry ye konya min ku bisa same woni ben yaye. And then na bana ade we abaye so. Yensu nyinya dry. Enu be nyina ewu. Ye mo nyina ewu. Ene de nipa bi di kwa problem. Then na ba. Na nyame yi kire ne se wentia. Na nyame kire David onye. David ye no na nyame ye reproach no fe dan. Meanwhile, the Amorites aye Benjamin ase aye bisi Benjamin aye for no. The Jebusites na aye for no them to order. And they said we are to Israel so. Israel no nyanya member. But why would the devil put this on them? Because he has killed the Benjamin.
Come the council say we are no come the business say what say aban na me ne wunyina ka ho ne ya aban say
I'm talking about the president, I'm talking about the leadership, I'm talking about the NDC party. Oh man, sorry. The abanaba. But the winning was yankai.
Therefore we are aban as I said Abrana IGP Dampire wo wo be share bra say we di for be show wo kom sha e fear and panic na wo kwase e ti mo bi a show wo kom sha bi be show wo kom sha na for evidence ka wo bra ene wo so enti no kwa bebre na be cassette ya is sa de na wo ye no as wo ya kredi for no
prophecies. Yes,
we ya esi awakening call the my yen sign kai said di for wo one.
Yes. You can't kill prophecy. Bible says, "Omanya will need for a rakwan." It is a trust. Some say, "Amanya any need for." Right? Nyamese senka me pese me ade we mamu. But ese ane se mo ntie mu di for ninti ebeba mo so. So there are some things when the prophet speak and you do not listen. If you say nyambe God will not do anything. Oso mo ntie mu di for ninti ebeba mo so. Must because you have despised the prophet, this thing will happen unto you. You will go through this. You will suffer this because you have despised my servant, the prophet. Who told you there are no prophets? Who told you because of the fake ones which are going about using their brain, because of the fake one who shall see me who for sikabra for we so or we penny be what penny be abonadria chilena. Who told you because of that there is no prophet?
Because we see the omunyina de mo bejimu.
So I say, in the days of Ezekiel, there were fake prophets. In the days of Elijah, there were fake prophets. Elijah, Breso, Elijah, same come on, it for Atufa Hinewa, 300 and something. We are bad for. Does he stop the nation from listening to Elijah? No. So as I say, we need to be careful the way we treat prophets in this country. Now, read this one. This one.
Okay. It is in the timeline because I see Mahama's picture, the vice president's picture, all the ministers he is appointing. I see their names before a voodoo. This voodoo man comes out only once a week.
So the voodoo man I saw, as God revealed to me, the man is in Morocco, and he comes out only once a week. The other thematic I spoke about Morocco.
Okay. This voodoo man comes out only once a week.
Thank you.
He doesn't see sun, and he's doing something in time. Things will start happening. Wrong decisions that will lead the nation into difficult times.
Thank you.
Hardship and lots of huge investments.
Thank you. Things will start happening. Things will start happening. Things will start what?
Happening.
Hardship, wrong decisions, loss of investment.
BBA you why it's my idea some before. They say Kokobon or Sikuru were boss what's in you.
And you see a mom pie more mino. Your bomb pie more mino. But leaders must rise up. Leaders, they must rise up and seek God, seek the face of the Lord. Yenye day. Now see you can't. You know, if you check the messages I sent and the videos I did, you will see that I sent the messages ahead of the video. So if I send the message, nothing is done, then I have to do video. Then people who say, and yes, when one can't tell you, what catch you? And yes, when okay. So before you see me even come and then do a video, I've already sent many messages. So I say, so all the messages I'm showing you are messages I've sent. And all these things you have read was in February. All these things, February, and I'm sending messages across. So say my sending message, my try 2 weeks, nothing, 3 weeks, nothing. Do this, they won't do that, they will do. And God give you the go ahead and go and speak unto it for the nation. You want me to sit down when God says to go and speak about it? My sending message, you know. You ignore the message. Then I'm praying, still seeing it, and God says go and trumpet it. So I should not trumpet it.
Oh, therefore, your man penny about the cheetah that Dr. Mahama Dubaumia has said, you see, if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. Near echoes in nature say, surely Ghana, your fundamentals not weak, physically, spiritually.
It's not about fundamentals.
It's about what?
It's about, you see, there is darkness.
Say me spiritual.
There is dark. What is happening? Do you think it's physical? Do you see? Do you think it's physical?
Yeah, share school for no color. Look at some physical because I quite an engine and got accidents in the bay. Near actually ministers is so only spiritual because if you are not at actually precopena.
A quando also a yen so be a could do. A quando will be a first work could do. Are you getting me? Let me have fun go say baby. Attack a war bang with some. I wish God would open their eyes. Because everything is done in the nation. And I told you, I saw in the vision, one of the things I saw in the vision, as prophetically as God has revealed to me, say, Oma Koya then say, we never insist woman attacks. We now tarnishing the image of the government in power. Because that is the only way. a bit turning the heart of the people against them. Now only to me as a my BM. Cause you should be a coidia. You can't see and corner sadia, a bad chance on it to be. That is it. That is it. Until you can when this baby this is happening. This is happening. Now, that is it. We see what all there are voodoo people chanting against the nation. Voodoo people are working against the nation.
But if was a one voodoo man, it's measure them, who pay once a week, or more we are. Nasa or no bit me consulting. Emma would me yet to meet Tia of my movie now. Not Ghana, so for how we can, you know. Won't me maybe can't have voodoo man.
No, you can do your prayer. It's a little now Bokoko. Sitting a mere to the Bokoko. So you think when they went and did it against the government, so who must seek for deliverance? Is it not the government? So until they seek for that deliverance, they will not be out of it. Because the government of Mahama has been put in darkness. And this plane crash, as I told you, as we saw in the video, is a plot for Mahama. It has been plotted right after the swearing in. They are plotting. And it was okay, accident. They are accident. It's a plane crash.
Odi for 4 years now, so your man pin a bako so afu plane. And if you run a 70 and now could see me Jordano. Week he was suspending activities in an meeting be and schedule be our chum. But time goes on. Next week, I could be using your Juma. Over for plane. Send me TBA. A day it's the essay still outside of so hungry. Yet in community, Miss as a train was saying,
your mom pie. And I'm not seeking for direction. Bible said, as long as Jehoshaphat went to Zachariah, as Zachariah has spoken, and seek for counsel, Bible said he prospered in everything he does as a king. So for you to make it, you cannot, right? Rulership is spiritual. You think rulership is physical? You cannot rule physically and succeed. Rulership is spiritual. So you cannot be a king, a ruler, without spiritual support, spiritual instructions, spiritual directions. They will attack you.
Odi for the crack and a bomb watch here 8 o'clock p.m. The man penny by blessing nation. Again, I wash your coins of Becca.
Yes, dear, that. It is only when it involves my favorite people, which has been a pain to the nation. So let's pray, say, God will give him that heart and that strength to be able to deliver whatever it is. It is a heavy news, and it will not be easy to tell the nation. But who are buying also and Abba, and I won't call for also involved. So let's just pray for him, so that God will guide him to be able to deliver this message. Thank you.
I will see my granny more yet now, so the cooling. And a remark I made your training a see a message. So which I will comment our video no as a diamond. Now when you subscribe to me, so too much GH. A yak I saw the door no ever come send a bay. Now upload me to the only first person ya phone you won't carry. Now what's name was any and some no meaning a city. All the social media platforms to cover. Too much GH. Oh, subscribe, no I like it. No one share, no one so any share. Dark gold, and I'm just so. Everything the best share.